In this video, I will show you how you can avoid this. Are you available Tuesday 2 p.m? No, I prefer 4 p.m. I can't. What about Friday 10 a.m? Oh wait, your time zone is Pacific time? No, you don't want that because it's a nightmare. I'm sure that you want something simple, easy to use, and most importantly, you want a tool that makes it easy for your leads to book a sales call with you or with your sales reps. So in this video, I will show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to set up your HubSpot calendar. Alright, so just before we start, if you don't have an HubSpot account right now, it's not a problem and you can create your HubSpot account for free. So for that, you just need to click in the first link in the description and then you will be on this page. And here on this page, you just need to click on Get Free CRM. And then here you can create your free account. So as I told you, it's free and you don't need to put your credit card to start using HubSpot. So you can create your account with Google, Microsoft or Apple, or if you are like me and you prefer to sign up with your email address, you just need to write your email address here. And now that you know how to create your HubSpot account for free, it's time to see how to create your appointment page. So what we will do in this video is to create a page like this one with HubSpot. And basically this page allows your customers, leads, partners, and so on to book a call with you when you are available. So if you want to create a page like this one, you need to go in your HubSpot account. Then on the left, you have the menu. And here what we want to do is to go on Sales. And then we click on Meetings Scheduler. So this is on this page where you will create your scheduling page. By default, you have one scheduling page created by HubSpot, so this one. And now the first thing we need to do is to connect our calendar. And for that, we just need to go here and click on Connect Calendar. Here you can choose which calendar you are using. So in my case, it's a Google Agenda, so I will use Google, but you can use Microsoft Outlook or Microsoft Exchange. So I will click on Google. Then I click on Connect Your Calendar. Now I click on Accept and Connect to Google. And now I need to connect my Google account to HubSpot. Now my Google Calendar is now connected to HubSpot, so it's perfect. And now what I want to show you are the differences between a free and a paid version of HubSpot. So when you use HubSpot for free, you can only create one scheduling page. So if you want to create one more, for example, if I click here on Create Scheduling Page, you see that I have 3 choices. So for example, one-on-one, but here you see that I have a limitation because HubSpot tells me you've used your one free booking page. And of course, I can unlock more booking pages by clicking here on Upgrade and Pay. So for now, let's say that we don't want that. And one more limitation that we have is the HubSpot branding in our scheduling page. So if I go here on my scheduling page, you can see that at the bottom, I have the HubSpot branding. So it's not a big deal if you start using HubSpot, but if you want to get more scheduling pages, for example, if you have sales reps in your organization, it will be useful to create a scheduling page for each of your sales reps. Now let's check how to personalize and edit our scheduling page. So for that, we just need to go here in our scheduling page and click on Edit. Here we have Overview. So the meeting type is one-on-one. Internal name is basically used for internal management purposes and will be the name of your link when inserting it in an email. So I will keep this one. Organizer is myself. Event title, this one is very useful because this is the name of the calendar event you share with your prospect or customers. So for example, product demo with Vincent. So I will choose this example, product demo with Vincent. Of course, here you can personalize the text with a company token, for example, company name, or contact token with, I don't know, first name, last name, email, or company name. But for now, I will keep it simple. Then location is very useful because you can say that the meeting is somewhere, or you can say that the meeting is on Zoom. And for that, we just need to go here and click on Add Video Conference Link. Here you connect an app. And here, for example, you can say that you want to use Zoom for your meeting. So you need to click on Zoom, then you need to click here on Connect. And here you have to sign in with your Zoom account, and then Zoom will be connected to your HubSpot account. So this is very useful because when someone books a call with you, you will get automatically a link to the meeting, and this link will be created by Zoom, and then you just need to click on the link, and then you will be redirected to your meeting on Zoom. So it's very useful if you don't want to waste your time with someone asking, do you want to use Google Meet? No, I prefer Zoom. Or do you have Teams? And so on. When someone books a call with you, it's Zoom, and you have the link in your calendar and the calendar of your leads, clients, or whatever. Next, cancel and reschedule. So this one is very useful because it includes a cancel and reschedule links in event description. So I strongly advise you to use this feature. And now you can see that in the description. So basically the description will appear in the invite when you're booked. So because we say that yes, we want a cancel and reschedule links, at the bottom of our description, we have two links, one to reschedule a meeting with you and one to cancel a meeting. So in the description field, you can write more information about the meeting. For example, in my case, with my SaaS Give Me Leads, it will be discover how Give Me Leads can help you build your list of leads. On the bottom here, you can format the text, so you can put it in bold. So for example, let's say I want this in bold, here italic, here underline. You can clear the formatting, and of course you can insert a link, and I will do that. So here is the SaaS that I'm currently running. So it's basically a SaaS that builds a list of leads with verified emails. So let's say that I want to include this URL givemeleads.io in my description. So I go here, then I click, for example, in Give Me Leads, insert link, I paste, and then I click on apply. Now I have a link and I have this text in bold. I click on save. Now it's time to see the scheduling page. So here on the scheduling page, you have options here on the left, and on the right, you have a preview of your scheduling page. So on top, you have your scheduling page link. So this is this link that you will share to prospects, clients, leads, partners, and so on. Just to let you know that this link can be modified after you've created it. So if you want to have a personalized URL, you need to create a new calendar. Next, collect payments. So basically with this feature, you can say that people need to pay to book a call with you. So for now, I won't use this feature. And now here, this is where I can personalize and edit my scheduling page. So here we can modify our scheduling title. So for example, let's say discover Give Me Leads with Vincent Robin. Perfect. You can change the duration options. So you have 15 minutes, 30 minutes, and 1 hour. Of course, you can add a custom duration, and you have here some duration that you can choose. So for now, let's say that I want to remove 1 hour because it's too long. So I just unselect 1 hour. And you will see that here, how long do you need? You no longer have access to a 1 hour call. Then here, your time zone is very, very important because you don't want this back and forth asking at which time zone you are and your leads are. So just verify that your time zone is good. And then the next thing you can modify is your availability window. So for example, here it's Monday to Friday from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. You can say, for example, that you are available every day. And here you see in my scheduling page that I have new slots in Saturday and Sunday. So I think Monday to Friday is good. I will just modify the hour. So the beginning, let's say 2 p.m. and the end 6 p.m. Perfect. Then one option you can use is consider working hours. So basically it checks working hours to know when users are available for meetings, and users will not be booked outside of their working hours. So I will use that. Next, we have additional settings. So here, image, you can modify the image that we have here. You can use the organizer avatar, company avatar, or you can just basically upload a custom image. For now, I will just keep it simple and keep organizer avatar. Next, when a meeting can be scheduled. So here, basically people can book a meeting with me to up to 2 weeks. So for example, here they can book this week and next week, but not the next one. If you want more, but I don't recommend you that, you can just say you want 4 weeks. And you can see that, for example, people can book a meeting with me in 3 weeks. In the other end, if you want to reduce this time, you can say, for example, you let people book a call with you up to 3 days. And now you will see that, yeah, they can book Monday, Tuesday, or Wednesday, but not Thursday or Friday. Next option is minimum notice time. So here, basically, it's the minimum amount of time before a meeting can be booked. So I like to put more time. So let's say 30 minutes. You can add some buffer time. So basically, it's a padding around your meetings you can't be booked for. So let's say, yeah, 15 minutes is good. Start time, increment, we don't care. Booking, page, language, use visitors browser settings is perfect. And finally, date and time format, same, keep it simple and use visitors browser settings. Now you can add more personalization by clicking here on form. And these are the options you have to personalize your form. So unfortunately, on the free plan, you can't edit that much, but what I recommend you to use is CAPTCHA. It's a good practice to have a CAPTCHA here because you will be protected from people who spam your scheduling page. This option block free email domains, same, you need a paid HubSpot account. And this one, allow guest, might be useful for you because it allows customers to include other guests to attend your meeting. So if your sales cycle is complex and you have many decision makers before people purchase your solutions, just allow this, and you will see that now you have this. So add guests, and now people will be able to invite up to 10 guests to attend the meeting. So it depends, of course, of your business, but for now, let's say that I want to keep it. Data privacy and consent. Add consent checkboxes and text to your form to follow GDPR and other data privacy laws. I recommend you to use it. And then now, once we are happy with our scheduling page and our form, we just need to click here on save. Perfect. One last thing that I want to show you is automation. So basically on this page, you have two options. First, confirmation email. So basically it sends a confirmation email to attendees immediately after they schedule a meeting. I strongly recommend you to get this option. And the second option is pre-meeting reminder. So basically it sends an email reminder to attendees before a meeting starts. I strongly recommend you to use this option to reduce the no-show. Here you have some options about the reminder. So you can select at what timing you want to send this reminder email and the number of reminder email you want to use. So if you have a lot of no-shows, you can send, for example, 2 reminders. So I will add 1 reminder, and let's say 1 day before and 1 hour before. So basically HubSpot will send 2 reminders to people who booked a call with you. If you want to have a preview of your reminder email, you just need to click here, and here you have the preview. So you have here from your email address, the subject, basically it's a reminder, the email, hello first name, this is a friendly reminder that we have a meeting booked on, and then you have the date. I look forward to meeting with you, Vincent Robin. If you want to edit your reminder email, unfortunately you need a HubSpot paid plan. Okay, so now let's click on save and check our scheduling page. If you want to check your scheduling page, you just need to click here on this link and then you will be redirected to your page. All right, so let's check our options. So people can book a meeting up to 3 days. How long do you need? You have two options, 15 and 30 minutes. You have options here to book a meeting with the good time zone, which is perfect. And now if we click on, 9 p.m., you have the form where you need to write your first name, your surname, email address, and you can add guests to this invite. You have data privacy where people just need to check a box, and you have the CAPTCHA protection. So I think it's good. Now, if you want to share your link to some leads, clients, partners, and so on, you just need to go here and click on copy link. And now you just need to paste it somewhere to access your scheduling page. Now that you know how to create your scheduling page in HubSpot, I have something for you. If you are a business owner and you struggle to find the best sales or marketing tools, we've created a free quiz that gives you personalized tools recommendations, and all of that based on your business, your goals, and of course your budget. So if you are interested, you have the link in the description. And now if you want to see how to import your contacts in HubSpot, you can click somewhere on the screen. It was Vincent, and I see you in the next video. Bye bye.